When a person begins to lose their sight, it rarely happens all at once. There's no loud moment, no burst of pain, no scream. It's quiet. It's a slow, almost imperceptible fading of clarity. Day by day, you find yourself squinting to see faces in the dark. You wake up feeling like you're looking through fogged glass. You turn on the TV, and suddenly, you can't quite make out facial expressions, like someone smudged the picture. And you tell yourself, I'm probably just tired. It's just age. But let me tell you the truth. It's not just age. It's a signal. Your body is trying to tell you something. And if you can hear me now, don't ignore that voice. Because even behind this quiet, blurry vision, there is an opportunity. An opportunity to turn things around, to help yourself. Just not in the way you're used to. Not with medications, not with treatments, but with something that's already sitting on your kitchen counter. You'll be surprised how powerful a simple banana can be. If you eat it not during the day, not on the go, but about half an hour before bedtime, in silence with awareness, like a remedy that works differently. Why a banana? Because hidden inside this humble, familiar fruit is one of nature's strongest tools for lowering pressure inside the eyes, reducing puffiness, clearing blood vessels, and most importantly, enabling that deep, restorative sleep your eyes desperately need to begin healing themselves. As we age, the inner circulation of eye fluid becomes disrupted. This isn't a myth, it's not rare, it's a biological fact. For some, it shows up as slight morning puffiness. For others, blurred vision after sleep. And for many, increased intraocular pressure, silently wearing down the retina and optic nerve day by day. And here's where the banana comes in. It's rich in potassium, and not by accident. Potassium is the mineral your cells rely on to release excess fluid. It governs that delicate balance between tissue clarity and overload. Without enough potassium, the eye's tiny capillaries become inflamed, they hold onto fluid, and you wake up with what you call tired eyes. But that's only one side. The deeper secret lies in an amino acid called tryptophan. This is the building block your body uses at night to produce serotonin, and then melatonin, the sleep hormone. And here's what matters. During deep sleep, not light rest, not drifting off, but truly restorative, uninterrupted sleep, your retina begins to clear away the oxidative waste it's built up during the day. It's in that darkness that your eyes finally get the chance to repair. A banana doesn't give you sleep, it gives your body the resources to turn that sleep into healing. One of my patients, a 68-year-old man, replaced his usual evening snack with half of a ripe banana. Just 2 weeks later, he came to me and said, "Doctor, for the first time in years, I woke up and didn't reach for my eyes." Do you understand what he meant? That wasn't a miracle. That was physiology. That was care. That was attention. But there's another ally, one I recommend with the same conviction. Because if the banana prepares the body for recovery, Greek yogurt grounds it. And I want you to hear this especially clearly. We're used to thinking that the eyes and the gut are unrelated. After all, they're separate systems, right? But modern research, including studies from Harvard Medical School, has shown otherwise. There is a pathway called the gut-retina axis. This means that what's happening in your digestive system, in your microbiome, directly affects inflammation in your eye tissues. And inflammation is what makes vision cloudy, tissues dry, and natural regeneration difficult. And this is where Greek yogurt plays its part. Not the sweet kind, not the flavored kind. Pure natural Greek yogurt full of live probiotics. These aren't just healthy bacteria, they actively reduce systemic inflammation, including the kind that threatens your eye health. Even more, Greek yogurt is rich in vitamin A, essential for your cornea. It's rich in zinc, critical for antioxidant protection. And calcium, not just for your bones, but for healthy signal transmission along your optic nerve. And it digests easily, no blood sugar spikes, no digestive strain. It works like a nighttime assistant, quiet, efficient, and unseen, a true partner in your healing. I remember a patient, a 71-year-old woman. She told me her eyes felt like they were filled with sand every morning. We tried many things, but everything changed when she began eating just half a cup of Greek yogurt, about 45 minutes before sleep. No sugar, no additives. A month later, she told me, "I feel like my eyes are part of me again, not a weakness." And that wasn't poetry. That was her reality. So I ask you, start small. Take half of a ripe banana. Take half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Eat them 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Not as a snack, not as something light, but as an act of self-care. Your eyes have served you your whole life. Now it's time to serve them. Because aging is not a sentence. It's an invitation to pay attention. And believe me, even the clearest morning can begin with just one banana and one spoonful of yogurt. Let's take a closer look at another seemingly humble and familiar product that actually holds incredible potential for maintaining the health of our eyes. Sunflower seeds. You've probably seen them in stores or on health food shelves, often thought of simply as a tasty snack or a salad topping. But today, I want to explain why sunflower seeds deserve special attention, especially if you've noticed the first signs of declining vision, or if you're at an age when the body no longer supports eye function as it used to. Scientific studies conducted in the United States, including large clinical trials supported by the National Institutes of Health, NIH, have clearly shown that sunflower seeds are among the richest natural sources of vitamin E. This is not just any vitamin, it's a true guardian of our eyes, a powerful antioxidant that protects the cells of the retina from the damaging effects of free radicals. For older adults who understand how important it is to take care of their health, vitamin E becomes an indispensable ally, helping to slow down the aging process of eye tissues and preventing serious conditions like age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of irreversible vision loss in later life. But that's not all. Sunflower seeds are also rich in zinc, a mineral crucial for the proper functioning of vitamin A in the body. Zinc supports the healthy metabolism of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining night vision and helping the eyes adjust to darkness. Research conducted at top universities in California and Johns Hopkins has noted that older adults who include zinc-rich foods in their diets experience significant improvements in low-light vision and reduce the risk of complications related to macular degeneration. Imagine this. Just a handful of these tiny seeds can help you feel more confident on evening walks and make your daily life safer and more comfortable. In addition, sunflower seeds provide a good amount of selenium, another vital trace element that not only supports the immune system, but also plays a key role in reducing inflammation in the body. This is especially important considering that inflammation is one of the main factors accelerating vision decline with age. Cellular inflammation literally damages tissues, and if left unchecked, can lead to serious problems. Selenium acts as a protector, giving the body extra resources to fight inflammation. Moreover, the healthy fatty acids found in sunflower seeds enhance the absorption of all these vitamins and minerals, boosting their beneficial effects and supporting the body's restorative processes, especially during sleep, when the eyes need rest and recovery most. When talking about nutrition for eye health, it would be unfair not to mention another unique and truly ancient product: dates. These sweet fruits, known to humanity since ancient times, are not just delicious, but also a rich source of vitamins and minerals that positively impact eye health, especially in mature adults. American researchers at the Tufts University Medical Center have conducted studies showing that regular consumption of dates significantly increases antioxidant levels in the blood, helping to reduce inflammation at the cellular level. For our eyes, this means strengthening and protecting the retina, the thinnest and most vulnerable part of the eye, which is constantly exposed to oxidative stress caused by light and environmental factors. Think of the retina like the film or sensor of a camera. Without it, no image would be sharp or clear. Preserving its health ensures clear and bright vision for many years to come. Dates are rich in vitamin A, a key nutrient that helps the eyes adapt to darkness and maintain night vision. Many older adults experience a deficiency of this vitamin, which shows up as poor vision in twilight or even an inability to see well in low light, increasing the risk of falls and injuries. In addition to vitamin A, dates contain carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin, which accumulate in the macula and serve as natural filters protecting the eyes from harmful blue light. This is especially relevant today when we spend so much time in front of computer, tablet, and smartphone screens. Another important point: dates contain natural sugars that are absorbed slowly and steadily by the body. American studies in diabetology, conducted at leading universities, confirm that eating dates does not cause sharp spikes in blood sugar. This means dates are suitable even for those managing glucose levels, making them a versatile and safe choice for supporting vision and overall health. To sum it all up, it becomes clear that sunflower seeds and dates are not just everyday foods, but powerful natural allies in the fight against age-related vision changes. Especially if you are over 60, noticing early signs of eye fatigue, worsening night vision, or declining sharpness, adding these foods to your daily diet is not merely a recommendation. It's an effective strategy for prevention and maintaining eye health. It's a simple, affordable, time-tested way to keep your vision clear, support your quality of life, and maintain confidence in the days ahead. After all, our eyes are the windows to the world, and caring for them should be a priority. The food we choose is a powerful tool that can not only support but significantly improve our eyesight. If you're ready to take a step toward better health, start today by including sunflower seeds and dates in your diet. Your eyes will thank you.